All right, so I've got this Taramps Smart 8, and it's on. I've got just one of these 8 ohm resistors hooked up to it. So I've got the SMD AMM-1, and I'm going to be playing 40 hertz. Right here. It's the 40 hertz 0 dB track, and that is off of the DD1 CD. So this is the first time for me with the AMM-1, and I'm really wanting to test the power capabilities of this 1000 watt resistor. So I've got 8 of these 8 ohm resistors for a 1 ohm load, final load for my bank when I do build it. And these are 1000 watts. So 1000 watts times 8 resistors is 8000 watts. And I think that that's continuous duty. So let's just see if this Smart 8 can make this 1000 watt resistor fail or not. So I'm going to start off at a lower volume. Here's volume 40. I want you to take note. It does have the clipping indicator. I do have it set on the amp dyno mode here, so it's going to measure the peak power on the AMM-1. And then, of course, here on the oscilloscope, you want to see the waveform on the screen. That's 246 watts. We'll go up to volume 45. Ooh, 666 watts. 666 watts. I don't like that. But anyway, 8.1 ohms. Let's go to volume 50. 2055 watts. And let's I think I've hit the voltage on the screen. Yeah, so let's redo that. Let's redo that one. All right, so same volume, volume 50. There it is on the screen. So 1946, and I just got one bank of caps running this this Smart 8 right now. Turn that voltage up a little bit more. All right, so let's go volume 52. Look, it's clipping on the screen. You can see it took a minute for the AMM-1 to show clipping. Watch, I'm going to just hit this on a quick burp. Let the battery, the capacitor charge back up. So volume 52. Watch on the screen, it's going to be clipping, and then watch here on the AMM-1. This is why I like oscilloscopes, because it'll show you exactly what the waveform is. Clipping on the screen, and the AMM-1 never showed clipping. Watch, we'll do it, and that's 2725 watts that this resistor is handling on bursts. So that makes me happy. So watch on the screen, and then watch here. Clipping on the screen, no clip light. No clip light. Now, a clip light does work. Now, I'm going to go up to volume 53. Just one more click. One more click. Now, watch. So, very hard clipping. And it started detecting, the AMM-1 started detecting the clipping after it was really hard clipping. So, I'm going to go back down to volume 52. Volume 52. Watch it on the screen. You know, I can't make this shit up. This is my first time with the AMM-1. Right, we've got one lead from the resistor through the AMM-1, and we've got both of the we've got both the positive and the negative right there on the probes on the AMM-1, and it's reading the same exact places. So volume 52, clipping on the oscilloscope, not clipping on AMM-1. Volume 53, and that was 2663 watts. Volume 53, and it'll clip on both the oscilloscope and the AMM-1. So 2673. Let's drive it even harder in the clip, and let me let the voltage creep back up on the cat bank, volume 54. So 2673 so far. I want to see 3,000 watts on that screen for this resistor. That would make my 8 resistors capable of 24,000 watt bursts, which I believe it will. Here's volume 54. It's 2819. Volume 55. I bet you I can get more out of it if I turn the voltage up. I think we're at about 14.5 volts. Volume 55. 2697. See, the power is going down because the amplifier is just way too far in the clipping. All right, so let's do that one more time. Volume 52. I'll show you again because that's just interesting to me. Actually, volume 50. Clean on the screen, 2,000 watts at 8 ohm. Volume 51. Clean on the screen, 2,500 watts. Volume 52. I'm going to clip on the oscilloscope, but not on the AMM-1. See, clip, no clip. And there's 3,000 watts. That's what I wanted to see. There's clipping here, but not on the AMM-1. All right then, that's all for this one.